Can I change my child's Google account to a regular account?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to tackle an important question many parents have. Can I change my child's Google account into a regular account? The answer is yes, and in this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step.
Why would you want to change your child's Google account?
Before we begin, let's address the elephant in the room. Why would you want to change your child's Google account? For one, if your child has reached an age where they require more access and fewer restrictions, transitioning them to a regular account could be beneficial. This process allows them to fully utilize Google services while still ensuring their online safety.
What are the differences between a child's account and a regular account?
To understand what we are changing, it's important to know the key differences between a child's account and a regular Google account. A child's account, also known as a Google Family Link account, comes with certain restrictions to protect underage users. These include limited access to Google services, apps, and content filtering. On the other hand, a regular Google account has full access to Google services and doesn't require parental consent for app installations or other changes.
How to change your child's Google account?
Now let's get to the main event, changing your child's Google account into a regular account. 1. First, make sure your child's account is ready to be upgraded. Google usually allows this when the child reaches the applicable age in their country, 13 in many regions. 2. Second, log into the Family Link on your device, then select your child's account. 3. Third, go to the Manage Settings tab, then select Account Info. 4. Finally, there will be an option named Stop Supervision. Tap on it and follow the instructions. Remember, once supervision is stopped, it can't be reinstated. Note, these steps may slightly vary depending on your device and its OS version. And that's it. That's how you can change your child's Google account into a regular account. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, internet safety is paramount, so ensure you continue to monitor your child's online activity even after they have a regular account. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.